I had to hit the brakes. I don't even know where I'm about to put my bike. But, y'all, aside from, it'll be fine right there. Aside from all of the raspberries, like the wild raspberries that are totally here. They are here. Look who else. Oh, that's my bike. Scared me. Look what we found. Oh my goodness. Excuse me, plants. Excuse me, plants. Look. It's our friends. The golden oyster mushrooms. Can y'all see them? Look. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This Puerto Rican ain't got a knife on her bike. I need to get like a little pocket situation I could put like, you know, up in there. But look at all of them. Y'all see them over there? And then some over there. Look how big they are. Oh my gosh, I bet they taste so good. I want to eat them, but I gotta go. So I need to get back on this bike and head. But we might have to come back and do some foraging later. We found mushrooms. We got mushrooms. Golden oyster mushrooms. And look, here go the wild raspberries. They are like everywhere. Those look so good. They're coming. Well, you see they were eaten. But let me get y'all closer. Look at them. Oh, they are so delicious. I promise you, y'all, they are absolutely, and they're so tart, but sweet. Oh my gosh. I love it. Let me focus. Get back on your bike, Jay. I'm gonna talk to y'all.